Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to avoid parkways on Waze. So to do this process, you could just simply go ahead and tap on the Waze application into your device. Now here, once you are on the Waze, of course, first make sure to turn on the location in order for you to proceed with this process. And now you can just simply go ahead and select the menu or the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings. Now here on the settings, you will have an option over here on the driving preferences tab, navigation, tap on it. And from here, you will have an option avoid freeways. So from here, if you turn this on, this will force the Waze to use local road instead. But for specific commercial parkways like New York, specialized truck GPS apps are better as Waze treats all freeways similarly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.